Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bot Watch. Ooh, this is Banks, our Aero Titan titanium watch band for our Apple Watches out there. If your Apple Watch comes in a size of 44 millimeter, 45 millimeter, 46 millimeter, or 49 millimeter, this Aero Titan watch band by Banks will match to your Apple Watch. Because the Aero Titan watch band blends lightweight titanium with a sleek aerodynamic design for durability and for style. It is scratch resistant and tarnish proof. It stays looking new, whether at the gym or out on the town. The perfect accessory for both performance and elegance. We have here lightweight titanium threads, and of course scratch and tarnish proof design, all day comfortable fit. And we have a tool included to adjust the length. Material is, of course, titanium. The compatibility from 44 up to 49 millimeter. The color is titanium itself. And Aero Titan fly in style and strength. Light as air and digest titanium, baby. Really cool, isn't it? Yes, it is. Banks. In a world illuminated by technology, Jeffers, the visionary founder of Banks, embarked on his journey. Fresh from the academy, he found select in tech forums. Among those who shared his passion, with a sharp phone in the hand, the Jeffers faced a glaring challenge: the sun's blast obscuring his screen. This struggle sparked a dream, setting Jeffers on the path to create Banks. Really cool. Making excellent products and materials inclusive, not exclusive, of course. Then Jeffers began an unjalded search for the perfect screen protector. In 2008, Banks introduces the industry's first anti-reflective film. This making the birth of a brand. And Banks' story is one of transformation from its humble beginning to the global presence, fueled by partnerships with giants like Apple and Corning. Upholding a commitment to excellence, it has expanded its reach and refined its product line. Today, Banks embodies innovation, community, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Once upon a time, in the quest for unparalleled design, Banks embarked on a creative odyssey, culmination in the creation of the Grand Headphone Stand, for example. That was an award winner of 2022 IF Design Award. The Red Dot Award was possible 2023 too. This comes to a charge the stand as a monument to the committed to design that boasts elegance and functionality. And of course, here it comes. Built to last, designed to impress. A scratch-resistant, tarnish-proof and waterproof design ensures this Aero Titan and band stays pristine, no matter where life takes us. And this because the titanium flange. But the titanium flange comes with an elegant design. Crafted from titanium, Aero Titan bands strength and style for the modern wear. Lightweight, durable, and sleek. And the faultless fit, timeless appeal. With a custom magnetic clasp, adjusting our return band is simple. We secure and comfortable for all-day wear. And it comes with a sleek style and an all-day comfort. Minimalist design meets all-day comfort. That's perfect for any occasion. The Aero Titan band is easy to wear and elegant at the same time, and it brings our Ultra 2 or the Ultra or the Apple Watch 10 987, etc., with a new titanium band in new dimensions of functionality and styling, baby. Because it looks really nice. This is the Banks Air Titan Titanium Watch Band for the Apple Watches out there. 44, 45, 46, or 49 millimeter. And this Air Titan watch band will matches to that band's compatibility of our watches out there. It's easy. Slide them out and replace the old one, with the new Air Titan watch band by Banks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.